In this video, I'm going to do an instructional video on how to install your Ruger American rifle into our Ultradyne UD chassis. This will be valid for both the Gen 1 and Gen 2 Ruger Americans. So most likely your Ruger American will come looking like this from the factory in a factory stock. And so the first thing you'll want to do is get your bolt out and make sure your action is clear. So go ahead and remove your bolt, and then you'll want to actually flip your barreled action, your rifle over, and remove your action screws. And so for video's sake, I've already removed these action screws. They're located in front and behind your mag well. And so you just get those taken out, and then your stock will pop right off of your barreled action. So you can go ahead and ditch the old factory stock, and then it'll be time to install the Ultradyne chassis. So the chassis will come in the box just like this, and then it'll come with a baggie full of hardware. So the baggie with all the hardware for the Ruger American contains quite a bit more than our other chassis, and you'll see why here in a minute. So it contains recoil lugs, the mag lever and assembly for the mag lever. That'll include the spring and the small screw. And then it includes your action screws. And it includes a small set screw and an L key for the set screw. And those are utilized in the rear of the chassis to time the buttstock whenever installing it. And the final L key is for your mag lever adjustment tab that I will show here in just a minute as well. So to properly install the Ruger American into the chassis, you'll want to drop your recoil lugs into the front and rear slots, and those will index with the slots for the recoil lugs in the Ruger American action. And so we can go ahead and drop in our action into our chassis while aligning those slots. And your action will sit in the chassis just like this. And you can go ahead and flip it over so that we have access to our action screws. So the reason that we have to send the mag lever detached in the Ruger American is because the rear action screw is right underneath that mag lever. So whenever we're assembling it, we have to have access to it. And so with the action screws, the longer action screw goes in the rear, so right there in that hole below where the mag lever would be, and then the shorter action screw goes into the front hole here. And we'll just get those snug, and then I'll actually stand the barreled action up and push it down into the chassis so that we are ensuring that the action is bedding up against those recoil lugs and there won't be any movement once we start firing. And then we want to torque down our action screws to 55 to 60 inch-pounds. I already have my torque wrench preset. So we get that one set. And the bottom one set. So we know those action screws are now properly torqued. So then it is time to install your mag lever. And so this is the trickiest part of installing the Ruger American into our chassis, is you'll first take your spring, and there is a machined hole in the back side of the mag well on this Ruger chassis, and the spring indexes into that machined hole. So you can just set it in there, and then you take your mag lever, and there is a pin sticking out on the top of the mag lever that goes inside of the spring. And you're just going to compress this spring until the hole in the mag well lever lines up. Your threaded screw and sticking it through the mag lever once you find the hole. So as soon as you find that, stick it through and it pins your mag lever in place, and then you'll just have to thread in the mag lever screw with an 1/8 inch Allen key. So I'll go ahead and get that. And that just needs to be torqued to about 10 inch-pounds, so nothing crazy, just get it hand tight. And then that is properly installed. Your mag lever is now functional, can take a magazine, can feed, and that is how you properly install a Ruger American into the Ultradyne UD chassis. All that's left to do is install your buttstock, your grip, and an optic, and you're ready to go shooting.